In 1928, a scientist in a cluttered London laboratory made a discovery that would alter the course of human history. It was small, almost invisible, a simple mold growing on a forgotten petri dish. Yet, from this tiny, accidental growth would come a revolution that saved millions: the birth of penicillin. Alexander Fleming, a meticulous bacteriologist, had been studying Staphylococcus bacteria. Returning from a 2-week vacation, he noticed something unusual. One of his petri dishes, left uncovered, had a mold that killed the surrounding bacteria. Most scientists would have discarded it as contamination. Fleming paused. He observed. He documented. And he realized this mold could be the key to defeating deadly infections. But discovery alone was not enough. Fleming could not produce penicillin in large quantities. The world was on the brink of despair. Infections were killing millions annually. It would take more than a decade during the 1940s for a team of chemists and pharmacists to mass-produce penicillin, turning it from a lab curiosity into a life-saving drug. What began as a tiny accidental mold now had the potential to save billions of lives. Consider this: one accidental petri dish, the development of penicillin, the first effective antibiotic, millions of deaths from pneumonia, scarlet fever, and wounds prevented. Modern medicine transformed forever. This is the true domino effect, a small, almost meaningless event creating waves that reshape the world. Penicillin's discovery didn't just save lives. It enabled surgeries to be safer, hospitals to handle pandemics, and humanity to survive conflicts and injuries that would have been fatal in earlier centuries. A world that might have been devastated by common infections suddenly had a shield, thanks to one man noticing what others overlooked. Alexander Fleming's accidental discovery is a reminder. Even the smallest observation, a tiny detail, or a simple curiosity can trigger a domino effect, changing history forever. The next time you think a small idea or chance encounter is meaningless, remember penicillin, the mold that saved the world.